How to make Roblox more faster without any lag. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix lag and make your Roblox more faster, easy and fast. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Roblox. As you can see, this is one of the servers that I like, and then go to the top corner right here, click on Roblox logo, and then go to this option, the second one in the top. It's called settings, and then make sure to make the camera mode on default and the movement mode on default also, and scroll down to the full screen. Make sure it's on off, and the graphics mode on manual, and the graphics quality as lower as possible like me. And then make sure to turn off all those three options down here. And the last step is go back and try it. If it's working, that's good. If it's not, just restart your phone and it's gonna be working for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.